Welcome to our channel Students Homeopathy, and let's learn together. Today we will discuss one of the very useful medicine from our Materia Medica, that is Silesia. Specially we will discuss its mental and physical generals, constitution and some important indications so that one can easily select this medicine in clinical practice. Before that, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel Students Homeopathy, please subscribe now by clicking the button at the right corner below. Also click on the bell icon and select all so that you will not miss any of our informative, educational and interesting videos on homeopathy. Kent starts Silesia with a mention that the action of Silesia is very slow. Therefore, Silesia suits to the complaints that develop slowly. Also, after prescribing the medicine, the action may start slowly. So, instead of changing the medicine or increasing the potency hastily, we should wait for some more time if the action of the medicine is not started as expected. So, the action of the medicine may start slowly, but the action is very deep and lasts for very long. Kent tells that the action of Silesia may last till the end of our life. Coming to the mentality of Silesia, Kent tells that the mental state of Silesia is very peculiar. The important point is that the patient lacks stamina or energy. He tells that the importance of silica for the human mind is similar to its action in the stalk of grain in the field. Means, silica present in the stalk of grain provides the required strength and supports the grain till it ripens. Likewise, Silesia provides strength to the mind, in the deficiency of which the mind loses stamina or energy. Kent tells that the mind of Silesia patients lacks stamina or energy, means the person is not able to do something that involves in any mental effort. Also, he says, when the mind needs Silesia, it is in a state of weakness, embarrassment, fear and a state of yielding. Suppose a lawyer or a religious leader or a political leader or a man in the habit of regularly appearing in public with self-confidence, firmness, fullness of thought comes to us and say, "Doctor, nowadays I fear to appear in the public." He describes his state of mind that he fears that he will fail, his mind will not work, he is damaged or extremely tired by prolonged efforts at mental work. But he narrates that when he forces himself into the subject, he can go with ease, his usual self-confidence returns to him and he performs well. So, this is the peculiar state of Silesia, and here the main feature is fear of failure. Kent says that the similar thing we may get in Lycopodium, but the fear of undertaking anything in Lyco is that due to lack of general knowledge or inability, whereas in Silesia it is imaginary. But in course of time, it may lead to an inability or lack of accuracy in his performance. Let's consider another example of Silesia mind. After studying for years, when a student fears for the final examination. So here we get fear of failure in the form of fear of examination. Or after completion of the examination, a student is feeling mental exhaustion, then we can think of Silesia. Also, let's think that even after successful completion of the course for years, he is unable to enter his profession or dread of undertaking anything. Here also the main problem is that fear of failure, and here we can consider Silesia. Coming to next, Silesia women are very mild, timid and tearful. Silesia has weeping tendency, but here consolation aggravates, like Natremure, Ignatia, Sepia, Helaverus, Lilium Dick, etc. Silesia people are very sad, depressed and irritable. Also, we get religious melancholy in Silesia people. Religious melancholy means mental distress marked by worry and obsession with religious duties and relation to God and salvation. These people pray constantly and uninterruptedly. They will keep worshipping and doing all sorts of religious works most of the time in a day, despite all their endeavors to suppress, they will not succeed. This may due to some guilty feeling, or they think that they have committed some sin and which should be corrected or excused by God. As we have already discussed, there will be a weakness of mind in Silesia. So another indication of this weakness of mind is that there will be dullness, sluggishness and confusion. Also, they have difficulty in concentration. Silesia patients are very fastidious and meticulous or careful about small things. Often they are very restless and hurried. Also, they are very sensitive, especially to noise, and they startle from knowledge. Coming to Silesia children, they are obstinate or headstrong and cries frequently and even when spoken softly or kindly. So coming to the constitution, these persons are of light complexions. The face may look pale and tired. It is suited to the constitution which suffer from deficient nutrition. It's not because that their food lacks in quantity or quality, but due to improper assimilation of the food. The other medicines are Baryta carb and Calcare carb, etc. So next, coming to the physical generals, the Silesia patient is chilly. All his symptoms are developed in damp and cold weather, but the peculiarity is that they desire for cold things. They prefer to have their food cold. They like ice cream, ice water, etc. So they are the chilly patients but desire for cold. They have a complete aversion for warm food. It's just impossible for him to take warm fluids as they cause hot flushes and sweat about the face and head. So next, coming to some important indication of Silesia, it is a very good medicine for many types of skin conditions and all kind of ulcers. If every slight injury of a person suppurates, then we can think of Silesia. In some cases, the scars become indurated and turn hard and nodular. So, if Silesia is given in such cases, it will throw out abscesses in these scars or open them out and heal them with normal scarring. Silesia hastens the formation of abscesses and boils. Coming next, we can consider this drug when the complaints arise specifically due to suppressed food sweat. The patient tells, "Doctor, I have had these discharges for so many years, and when you get into the depth, you will get to know that these discharges are suppressed due to some shock or cold, and symptoms started after that." So here we can think of Silesia. Coming to the next, it is a very good remedy for constipation. Here, constipation is due to the inability of the rectum to expel the stool. There will be much urging for a stool but an inability to expel. There is much straining and great suffering. While straining, the person strains until he is weak and exhausted. The stool partly expelled and recedes again. Another important indication of this remedy is that affection of bones. Where there is destruction of bone in any form of Silesia can be thought of. Also, Silesia forms abscess in cartilages. There can be inflammation of the periosteum which leads to necrosis of bones. Bones break down and form fistulous openings. Coming to another striking feature, infant is unable to take any kind of milk, or we can tell intolerance of milk in infants. There will be diarrhea from milk, or specifically when the mother's milk causes diarrhea and vomiting. We should definitely think of Silesia. The other medicines are Natrum carb and Ethuja. Silesia is a great medicine for chronic sick headache. Headache commencing in the occiput or ascending from nape of neck to the vertex and ameliorated by profuse urination are the important indication for headache. Silesia also a very good remedy for inflammation, swelling and suppression of glands, and it covers all type of glands. Silesia promotes the expulsion of foreign bodies from the tissues, fish bones, needles, bone splinters, etc. So these are some important features of Silesia. Thank you for watching. Please provide your feedback in the comment section below. Also, we will love to answer your queries on this topic, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Students Homeopathy, and also click the bell icon and select all to get notification immediately as a new video is released. Thank you.